Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing really well. So in this video, I'm going to show you a detan pack to remove the tan instantly and get a glowing skin. So many a times we go on a vacation, beachy vacations, we stay outside and due to which we get a lot of tan on our skin, though we use a lot of sunscreen. But these tan takes a lot of time to leave our skin, so this pack will definitely help you to remove that rugged suntan instantly. So before knowing the ingredients of the detan pack, let me tell you why our skin gets tanned. So when our skin gets a lot of exposure to sun and the sun rays directly hits our skin and we stay under the sun for a lot of time, melanin in our skin gets generated a lot, and due to which we end up getting our skin dark and patchy, and due to this our skin gets very dull and dry because the hydration is already removed from your skin because of the sun rays exposure, and due to which this tanned skin looks very dry and dull and damaged. But do not worry, I will show you a pack which will remove the tan and it will help you to get a glowing skin instantly. So to make this pack, we only need three ingredients, and all these ingredients will definitely be at your home. So to make this pack, in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Coffee powder acts as exfoliating agent and it definitely helps in removing suntan. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey helps a lot in evening out the skin and making it very smooth. And then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of curd to it. You can add lemon juice also instead of curd. If you have a very sensitive skin or oily skin, definitely avoid the lemon juice. I have a very sensitive skin, so because of which I am avoiding the lemon juice and adding a curd. Curd helps. Curd soothes the skin and it helps in removing the suntan. So mix all these ingredients nicely without any lumps, and it has to be in a consistency not too thick and not too thin. And once this pack is done, apply it on your face evenly. I'm using a brush to apply it. You can use your fingertips also. So apply it evenly and allow it to settle on your skin for minimum 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you start feeling your skin a little sticky because we have used honey in it. And once you start feeling the face pack a little tight on your skin, do not wash your skin immediately. Take a bowl of lukewarm water and use this microfiber sponge or any soft towel or cloth and dip it in the water and apply it on your skin. Loosen the pack a little and then wipe it out. Directly washing your face pack, what it does is the coffee powder, which is the exfoliating agent, it will start disturbing the texture of your skin and your skin can get a little rough. So it's always better to dip a cloth in a lukewarm water and remove your face pack. Once you have removed the face pack nicely and clean, splash cold water on your face. Okay, doing this is really very important because the lukewarm water what we have used to remove the face pack, and then applying and then splashing the cold water will reduce the tensions what we have created while removing the pack. So splashing cold water is really very important to settle down your skin. And then I'm spraying this green tea toner. You can use any toner or you can use aloe vera gel as well, and I'm spraying this green tea toner all over my face and then allowing it to dry a little and then applying a moisturizer. If you are using this face pack in the morning and going out in the sun, definitely apply a sunscreen after the moisturizer. So following these steps will definitely give you a great result. This face pack gives instant glow. So you can see this face pack has given me an instant glowing skin. Once you remove the face pack, you can definitely see the glow on your face. Definitely try this pack on your face, hands, legs, wherever you have got tanned, and it will definitely give you an instant result. Try this pack and let me know how it has helped you in the comment section, and let me know all the other skin problems for which you require a home remedy. I'll definitely be very happy to help. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, share this among your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in the next exciting video. Bye.